Introducing DXV's new collection of never-before-possible designs created through 3D printing metal faucets. DXV by American Standard is taking faucets where they have never been before and reinventing the way we experience water. New technology meets inspired design and craftsmanship to make the impossible now possible. The potential truly beyond our imagination.
In June, we had a media event where we debuted and unveiled our 3D printed faucets.
We turned it on and there was 2 seconds of absolute silence, and then there was this, oh.
And then he pulled that curtain back and the room stopped breathing. It really did. It was just this unilateral gasp of, what is this? Because it wasn't just technology. It was really, really cool design.
How is it possible to create this illusion? It looks like a faucet, but it's a clear work of art. Unique craftsmanship combined with 3D printing laser sintering technology, along with the incredibly high strength of the alloy, enables fine structures of concealed waterways that converge at the top shortly before reaching the aerator. This revolutionary engineering approach creates the impression that water appears magically out of the faucet.
This is a very cutting-edge technology, and very often cutting-edge technology is associated with a very contemporary style. And we did not want to only go that way, because DXV covers 150 years of design history. We have 4 different movements. We go from very classic to very contemporary, and we wanted to respect that, and therefore we wanted to arrive with different designs that address that whole spectrum, if you will.
We've discovered 3 new ways to present water that push the boundaries of what is possible and truly elevate the experience of everyday living. VIBRATO, an eye-catching mesh of delicate latticework, the magic and mystery of water. Like music plays through, and experience hits a high note. Beautiful, yet purposeful. Trope, through symmetry and natural shapes, water flows organically through waterways, separated into 4 thin sections, giving it a more traditional appearance. SHADOWBROOK, a true celebration of the experience of water, presented as a stream bouncing on rocks in a riverbed.
You're not sure if form followed function or if function followed form with these 3 particular pieces.
I do think it's going to revolutionize how we deliver water, in the sense that the function is the same, but the experience, the interface, the connection to the product is going to be completely different.
It's about pushing the envelope. It's for people that have seen a lot in their lives, that are design savvy, that are art savvy, that are aware of what's available to them, and that want to push further.
Because it's only the first step, because the technology is evolving, because we're gonna integrate it in many different areas, and it's gonna be, we actually don't even know how far we're gonna go with it, and so it is only the first step. So it is just the beginning of a journey.
These faucets are almost an answer to a very resounding question that we run into a lot in our work, and that is, what is luxury? What does a high-end designer deliver to a client that they haven't seen before, that makes their project unique, that makes them stand out?
DXV's new 3D printed metal faucets, changing the way the world sees water. Prepare to be astonished.